Today, I will show you a very simple and beautiful mehndi design on hand. I am starting the design from the wrist. You can begin the design with flower, petals, lines, face designing, etc. I have started my design with the flower and now covering the entire wrist with this beautiful design. You can have n number of designs of mehndi as it all depends upon your creativity. This is how, with the combination of flowers, petals, and different shapes, you can cover the entire palm. Now, we will make the design on the fingers. Either you can make the same or different design on all the fingers. See how nice the mehndi is looking. Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorials. Today I will show you a very beautiful and easy mehndi design on hand. We will start our mehndi design from the wrist. Tip of my mehndi filler is neither very thick nor thin. As you can see, its thickness of the mehndi is best for this design. I have made a beautiful flower on the wrist and decorating it further, adding petals and simple designing to make it more beautiful. Now we will make a lace design on the palm. Further, we will make the design on the fingers with different designs to make it look more good. Lastly, we put some mehndi on the tip of the finger and will spread it evenly as it looks super. See how beautiful the mehndi is looking. So friends, don't forget to try this stylish mehndi design. Today, I will show you a very beautiful and easy mehndi design for hands. Start your mehndi design from the wrist area by making slanting lines. Continue this design by making petals and leaves design. As you can see, now we are making design on the palm. You can continue the design from the wrist itself. Make any curvy shape or decorate it further with beautiful dots. Fill the middle and index finger with some curvy designing. Also, apply some loose mehndi on the tip of the thumb and on all the fingers. I'm sharing the design of Arabic style mehndi. Start making a petal and fill its bottom with mehndi. Now draw some diagonal lines and fill the petal. Make another curvy line touching the petal and give border to it. In the center of your hand, draw a flower in continuation to the petal design. On the left side of the petal, draw some curvy design and connect with the petal. Extend the design towards the index finger by making petals filled with diagonal lines. Now make a half flower down the thumb and extend the design with petal. Fill the petal with mehndi and make another long petal. Draw curvy lines along with petal and fill it with mehndi. Extend the design by making a long and thin petal till your wrist. Fill the petal with diagonal lines. End the design by making a small flower. So here we have our Arabic style mehndi design ready. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.